up in myself. That thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're well and in good spirits. My name is Cindy Umantungwa. If you're new here, I welcome you with warm hands, and I really hope that you will fall in love and become part of my family by hitting the subscribe button. To my returning day ones, I welcome you once again, and I thank you so much for choosing this channel and choosing to come back again and again and again. We are here again with yet another vlog, and I'm sure you saw from the first video, I went for some grocery shopping, and the reason I shared this particular store, which is Sunshine, it's situated in Roodepoort by Westgate Mall, if you know the place. That is a wholesale shop, guys. And the reason I like shopping there, it's because firstly, it sells at the wholesale price, and secondly, you get the items in the quantities that you would like. I mean, in all quantities, all the quantities are available basically. It's unlike at retail stores. Not all quantities that you want are available. And how does that help you? That helps with people with large families. Usually, it's ideal that they buy in bulk, so that things last you longer and you won't have to buy same thing each and every month. Um, and whilst you're doing that, you get that at a wholesale price, meaning it's a low price compared to the retail stores. And yeah, man, I mean, I really like that you get anything and everything where grocery is concerned. Like sometimes when Zumcimbi and you really want like huge items, like probably you're doing lobola celebration and you want like big quantities of baked beans, that's the store for you, right? You want big quantities of jam, for example, that is the store for you. Okay, so this is just a plug, guys. So I'm plugging you for you guys to just try it out. If you are able to try it out, please just let me know of what you think after shopping there. I mean, I'm telling you, I can guarantee you right now, there is a huge difference um, compared to the normal retail stores that we go to. I go to the retail stores only if I have to top up. That is when I go to the retail stores. And that is the exact time that I can tell the difference between shopping at the wholesale store and a retail price. I mean, at the retail store with the retail price. And I'm for the savings, child. Why can't you save? I want to save. Like right about right now, I'm going to install my eyelashes. Okay, I'm going to install my eyelashes. And guys, I usually do this. I used to install my eyelashes, my individual eyelashes with 350 rands, and my hair would be 750. This is an example because I do my maintenance in Braamfontein. If you know Bram, you know how pricey it is. However, it really comes with sufficient service, right? Sufficient customer service. They really help. You don't get there and get to be to be on the queue for long. So right now, I'm all about saving. We are learning to install our own lashes. This is the glue that I use. I do have another glue, the purple one. It's just that I don't know where I've placed it, but I do have another one. That one, it's sort of like painful when the lashes are coming off, and they come off with your natural lashes. I don't like that. So I really prefer using this one because I find it gentle on my lashes and gentle to use. So guys, we're quickly gonna install the lashes, and this is a tutorial. Okay, for those who do not know how to install their cluster lashes, these are cluster lashes. And then on today's video, furthermore, we are gonna be doing some cooking. The weather is quite gloomy outside, and I think it's a perfect weather to braai. Uh, I don't like, I don't really like braaiing when it's hot because then you get to sweat and stuff like that. I really favor this weather for braaiing. Um, and then so yeah, that's a bit of cooking. And what else? Remember when I bought the spice containers? So we're just gonna be dividing all the spices. I ultimately bought the spices, and I bought those from Food Lovers where you weigh them. Okay, you weigh the spices. I will show you everything. You weigh the spices, and you get to measure your own spices, right? And you get to they get to be around the price that you prefer, right? And another thing, there's a variety of spices. So that's what I like about it. If you're someone who likes cooking, that's a place for you. Go check out Food Lovers and go measure your own spices, your own variety of spices there, and thank me later. So that's what we're going to be doing. But for now, let's quickly install some lashes.
The first thing to do, you stick out the lash from the tray, dip it into the glue, and stick it into, or rather onto your natural lash. Make sure that it does not stick to your eyelid, but only your natural lash. Thereafter, you use the pump to blow the air so as to ensure that the glue does stick in. Repeat the process. Stick out the lash, stick it into the glue on top of your natural lash, and pump that air to ensure that the glue dries out. Just repeat the process up until you're done, and then voila, you see.
A few moments later.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. You think it was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for, right? Oh yeah, this is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through, yeah. And don't come back. Oh, you're looking so surprised like you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. Give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all behind. I won't let it get into my mind, no, yeah. He thinks he can, he's a man. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. Oh, I won't let it get into my mind, no. Oh, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy. Won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. I get up and try. I get up and try again, yeah. Oh, get up and try. Get up and try again.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be?
Okay, guys, I'm done packing these spices. So they are all 12. So I think it's 10 spices, rather it's 9 spices and 3 types of herbs. Okay, so I'm just gonna pack them here and just state each one of them. So we've got potato spice, we've got some chili flakes, and we've got chicken spice, and we have fish spice, and we have rice spice, and we have some mixed herbs. We have paprika, and we have mother-in-law spice, and we have some rosemary. We have bay leaves. I put them here. Then we have some cajun spice, and lastly we have some parsley. I love it. I love the fact that everything is fitting perfectly fine, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that they all fit in here, and I still have more of them left in the packs. So once I see that I'm starting to run out, I can always refill. And another thing, I was using a dispenser. That dispenser, what is it? Yeah, the dispenser to pass the spices through the bottle. It really helps with remaining tidy and ensuring that everything goes inside. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the labeling. You can see what is what. It's not easy to get confused. So yeah, we are done over here. So let me just quickly move to cooking. Let's quickly move to cooking.
And I've been waiting for your hunger. And I've been waiting for you. And I've been waiting for your sorrow to land on me. And I've been waiting for the future. And I've been waiting try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gon' have to call your friends, tell them that you're gon' be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself.
There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
You say you are lost and you're in need of some advice. I'll try to be honest, though it's easier to lie. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, get up and get out. 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 It's okay to be broken. It's okay to laugh and cry. Cause when you try to see the problem, that means you figure it out. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Yeah. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking already, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you, love you, love you, yeah, love you, yeah, love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything, and I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. Wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go, 'cause girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do it right. We've got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. So let me love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide.
If you hear my voice, this will mean that you are at the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate you. Guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you so much. Till the next vlog. Love you. Bye.
To whom much is given, much is required.